Hi, today's daily task topic is air pollution. Um, today's the air pollution is the worldwide issue, or it is the worldwide issue is the air pollution. Air pollution. Firstly, definition of the air pollution. Air pollution introduced as the harmful substances into the atmosphere, um, and the types of pollutants. Example: nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide, volatile organic compounds. These are the causes for the air pollution. These are the causes for the air pollution, and mostly nitrogen oxide, carbon dioxide are the more dangerous for environment. Effects of air pollution: health impacts on humans respiratory system. It increases in the diseases like asthma, bronchitis, cardiovascular problems, cancer are increased by the air pollution. Environmental impacts on the damage of ecosystem, sometime acid rain, global warming, greenhouse gases. And greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases means we use cars, two-wheelers, and other devices with fuels like oil, gases. Uh, they produce a they produce a gases, and the gases are mixed into the environment and increase the temperature. Is called the greenhouse gases effect. Causes of air pollution: mostly the causes are the factories, cars. Factories is the most, and cars is the most biggest reason for the air pollutions. Air pollution, it is invisible, but it affects on our health, also on our daily lifestyle. Effect on the air pollution: we use car as a alternative. We use a public transportation, for not use a private vehicle. For that, we use public vehicles or public transportation for the uh, air pollution occurs when harmful substances such as particulate matter, nitrogen oxides, carbon dioxide, and volatile organic compounds such as methane introduced into atmosphere. The pollutants come from a variety of sources, including industrial activities, by industrial harmful industrial gases, transportation, or agriculture field. In agriculture, only is the burning of the raw material of plants is also responsible for the air pollution. The combustion of fossil fuels in vehicles, power plants, and industrial process is a major contributor for air pollution. Releasing of releasing of releasing pollutants that degrade air quality on a massive scale. Effects Effects of air pollution: effects of the air pollution are the mostly, it is on the directly on the human health. Our it attacked on the dangerous gases. It directly affect on direct health on our lungs or our respiratory system. Sometimes it is the very dangerous for some disease, chronic disease. Some chronic disease like asthma patients, or any other respiratory system related respiratory system related is the very cause is dangerous to the these for. And sometime we use cars, vehicles like a bike. It is the responsible for the pollutants and the major contribution of the factories. And sometimes factories sometimes we use burning raw material in farm, and they um, create a very dangerous gases into environment and making air pollution. Mostly air pollution is increasing in the urban areas like MNC developed cities because of the heavy use of and major use of the vehicles, and private vehicles also. And increased population is directly affect on the use of fuels, and fuels as well as transportation vehicles. But there are some differences as per our rural area and urban area. We difference between the air pollution in rural area and urban area. In a rural area only the sometime air pollution causes due to the burning of the raw material in agriculture. But in urban area everything is the responsible for air pollution. Firstly factories, second cars, third any generators like providing electricity for big buildings or any corporate systems. And it is the urban area major contribution in the air pollution as per the rural area. Only in the area urban area factories are the responsible, also people also responsible for that. How to we reduce the air pollution? We discuss about that. Air pollution is reduced at only one cost: low use of fuel and the use of the use of public transportation, and public transportation vehicles, as well as we use low low pollutants vehicles like CNG gas vehicles, and electric vehicles also. There are some causes of the and third major point is the factories. Factories increase the high pollution because of the it consume high fuels and making the high pollution due to of the burning of fuel in major quantity. Mostly the air pollution is the term is increased is known as the we use only the non-pollutant vehicles like electric vehicles, as well as CNG gas vehicles. CNG gas vehicles also responsible for air pollution, but in as per as compared to the other fuel vehicles like petrol, diesel, CNG gas is making a low pollution air. And third major part is the public vehicles like two wheelers, individual use of that. Mostly we see that in cities, in big cities, every individual use their own vehicle like two wheeler, four wheeler. But I suggest that not use of the two wheeler, four wheeler as specific individual. We use public transportation for go to one side to another. For that we also save fuel, also save money, and also save environment. And third major part is the natural disaster is also responsible for the air pollution. Natural disaster is in the forest. Burning forest is the natural disaster for responsible for air pollution. Accidentally sometime forests are burned due to some natural disaster. In hundreds of acres are burning as due to the disaster because of the some man-made accidents in or any natural disaster. It more dangerous because of the also in this disaster animals also burn and air pollution occurs. And air pollution occurs global warming because of the air pollution. Greenhouse gases are mixed into the air, and heat of the air increases. And this problem, global warming, the ice of the south and north pole ice is melting, and sea level increases. These are the problems are become from the air pollution. And then air pollution is the major cause in that at today. It reduces only use of low fuel use and using public transportation, and low use of electricity. Also electricity affect electricity plants. In some areas electricity plants are working from the coal. It is the mine coal is used for the that. It is the coal make more air pollution also in the area of the coal mine. Transportation of the coal also, and it making the more pollution, and it is not good. As my suggestion, only these problems reduce the air pollution. Air pollution is the major cause for the global warming, also for it is dangerous for the human beings. Air pollutants, we see that in our big metro cities like Delhi. In Delhi, air pollution increases, and due to the in summertime temperature goes into 52 Celsius as the highest temperature, and it is the highest temperature in India is first time due to of the air pollution. Air pollution make environment hotter, and make due to the greenhouse effect. It is the totally effect on the whole ecosystem, and it is not good. Also every human has a healthy life, but sometime due to of the air pollution, some chronic diseases like asthma and other respiratory system patients are died due to the air pollution problem in the near of the factories, like factories air pollution. Because of the no more oxygen is there, but oxygen is given to our from the trees, but we cutting trees for the urbanization. Due to urbanization we cut the trees, and deforestation taking it. Sometimes it is the very dangerous for our human beings. Urban areas are developed by deforestation, sometime increasing factories in the near of the urban areas. And water pollution also caused due to factories, but air pollution is the major cause because of the oxygen use our first priority of lives. We need oxygen for life every second, oxygen. But chemicals in the air, chemical gases in the air, we consume dangerous oxygen air into our body, and chronic diseases get chance to make biggest and chances for risk factor. It is the risk factor of our health. It is the dangerous at that time. Only some it impact to the our body and others, our health problems increases. Air pollution is the only recorded by through we use the electric vehicles and use the public transportation, and not in agriculture field. As also I suggest to farmers, no burn to the raw material from farm. It create a manure from that. Okay,